Alright, so right now we are in the middle of a battle for this remote, apparently, because Cam says Corey ain't sharing, so matter of fact, these niggas are still okay, as you see right now, they done dropped the remote. It ain't even about the remote no more. These niggas are just real deal going ham. Apparently right now, Cam is in a headlock.
It's not no headlock.
It was at first, nigga.
I can't never vote, bro. Oh, y'all stop. Huh?
These niggas real going UFC over here, man. Damn.
Over a remote. Over a PlayStation 3 remote.
These niggas over here. Alright, so apparently Cam got the upper advantage or whatever it seems. They both been tied out.
Y'all sound like some dogs over there.
Alright, so Cam trying to break Corey down into a half guard, it seems. Oh wait, Corey, did that nigga just grab the fucking remote? Alright, so apparently right now Corey has the remote. Okay. As you see right there, there's the remote in Corey's hand. He's putting it behind his back. I mean, I don't know what to tell you right now. This is some kind of immaculate shit right now, fighting over a goddamn remote. Oh.
It's retarded, that's what it is.
Oh, and it's a partial full Nelson. It's half Nelson, looks like. But Corey see it has control of the remote. Cam is trying to go ape shit on his ass right now. And like this nigga weird, he got the remote. Oh, and Cam tried to smoke. Well, there's the remote again. Cam is deeply entangled in a Camaro, looks like. And Corey's trying to get a triangle set in. And Cam just rampaged his ass. Okay, Cam has remote again, and once again,